Wondered what you might look like 20, 30, or even 50 years from now? Well, thanks to AI, you can now find out instantly. Yep, artificial intelligence can predict your future face with shocking accuracy and sometimes hilarious results. Let's explore how these future face AIs actually work and which ones you can try right now. First, let's talk about the technology behind it. Most of these apps use something called generative adversarial networks, or GANs. In simple terms, it's a type of AI that learns how faces age by studying millions of real photos across different age groups. Then, when you upload your picture, the AI analyzes your facial structure. Things like skin tone, wrinkles, hairline, and jaw shape, and applies realistic aging patterns to predict how you might look in the future. Pretty wild, right? Now, let's look at some of the most popular AI tools that can do this. 1. FaceApp, probably the most famous one. You just upload your selfie, select the age filter, and watch the transformation. It can make you look older, younger, or even change your hairstyle and smile. 2. FaceLab AI. This one focuses more on realism. It uses advanced aging algorithms and lighting effects, making your future self look like a real photo, not a cartoon. 3. Future Baby Generator. This one's more for fun. You upload 2 photos, yours and your partner's, and it predicts what your baby might look like. Totally entertainment only, but surprisingly accurate sometimes. Of course, all of these tools are just for fun and curiosity. They don't actually know your genetics, health, or lifestyle. So take the results with a grain of salt. Still, they're fascinating examples of how powerful AI facial recognition and image generation have become. But here's something to keep in mind. Always be careful when uploading personal photos. Stick to trusted apps and official websites only. And avoid random sites that ask for personal data or permissions that seem unnecessary. Your face is your identity. Protect it. In the end, these future face AIs aren't meant to tell your destiny. They're just a fun way to see what time might do to your face. And maybe get a good laugh with your friends along the way. So go ahead, try it out. And meet your future self, wrinkles, gray hair, and all. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.